Hello guys, it is October 10 and we are asa tapadong Ed.
Hapat ko pala. Lanuza na Lanuza.
Lanuza! Actually, we can't really tell you guys where it is that we're going because by request of the organizers, we will not be disclosing where we're going, but just to give you guys a little idea, we are going somewhere to go surfing and it's super duper backpacking in Nato style. We are bringing our camping gear and we're just really excited to have fun. We're gonna be there with our barkada, our Helio Boys barkada, and I'm so excited to vlog this. I'm gonna be switching from my camera to my phone as always, and we're about to go to the pier, so you guys can kind of figure out where it is we're going because I might not be able to edit everything out, but for the most part, I did not disclose where we're going. So sorry gang if makaingon ko. But yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to come with us. I'm so excited to go on vacation and to surf. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys in a little bit. Bye! What are you most excited about?
Ang beach, dude. Surfer ba ako?
I'm excited to surf.
Ngayon na nasagsaka. One.
Yang ipicture niya ba ganun?
Welcome to Rakan Surf Camp, where MP Light welcomes you on your first night.
Tomorrow.
Morning.
Good morning. Sorry bro. Bunda ya. Sudah. Pwede naman ng kiko naman isa ka kapoy niyo. Ubos na lang kasi tight ako lang taas.
Ako'y mataga ka ni mo.
Okay lang.
But now explain sport care.
Hello. This is what you call waxing. Waxing your vajayjay. This is the Brazilian. Paano mo nasabi?
Ganun, waxan siya para dili ka ma-slide, right?
Yup.
Ano yun? Sa mga wax ang hindi gamit?
Ang gamit kaya Mr. Zog's Sex Wax.
For real?
Yep. Ano yan nga?
Really? Sex wax?
Sex Wax.
Ano pink siya? Amura din yung reason. Yatay. Sa'yo tawagan yung sin. Zing.
Birds of wisdom Filipino Khalid Unong Lawas.
Alag panik. Gamay kami sa dambalod. So ako lang rule lang sa importante kayo if mag-ride mo, yan ay tao sa ubos. Ayaw na. Alam mo hulog. Lagi mo manggahi, relax oh.
Tayong instructor palahubog pag palahubog po.
It's all buktanan!
Good job. Ginanta ka sa final champion.
Amazing sa
Lagi ka sa kahon.
Kung sa'yo naaanak, kuya?
Hilawi para may bayan mo.
Umayo kong surf, ani. Hindi na sa putot ko yan ako.
Gamay nga kuan. Jadak.
Surf na good kaway board.
Ay, lumalaban ba?
Wow!
Tawag siya pire kay og inim mo mga sa nipa. Bunga sa nipa, imog kuan tuba nito tapos giluto.
This is where the camping area is. You already know our tent, it's over there. This is our first tent. And then the other campers here. We've got hammocks all around the area. And we got more campers over there. Okay today. Ang guwapa kayo siya. Amazing.
Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So I know someday it'll all turn around, because all
Ano to ibag ko katong murag pina fish eye.
That's the iPhone.
Yeah. Sa ay Kenapa atong butangan ay sit na murag sinasakay.
Ready na mo paraan ni guys?
Magwa na ta.
You made me, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye. I know I didn't get to end the vlog, but thank you kaayo sa Rakan for the invitation to join and camp and even get to surf. I didn't think this year that I would be able to do that. So thank you kaayo gang. And to all the friends that I made on this trip, thank you kaayo sa tanan locals, sa tanan joiners, campers. I can't wait to see you guys very, very, very soon. And bye! Please like, subscribe, and follow. Bye!